Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
2013 Dodge Durango RT. Nice white Hemi 5.7 right there. Check her out. What we got done on this beast. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. We took out the muffler, which is over there. We'll show it to you guys in a second. Replaced it with 2 DYNOMAX race bullets. Part number 24250. There'll be a link in the description for them. Then left the stock 2 1/4 pipe and deleted the rear resonators there and there. And replaced them with 5-inch angle cut tips to complete the look black. There. And there. We get them custom made for us, guys. So we don't have a link for them, but you can try to find some. But there's everything we cut off. And we also took off the side steps for them. They didn't want them on there. So we did that too. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. What do you think? Yeah, I like it. Nice white Durango